Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Quotex account type and current currency. This matters because not all accounts allow direct currency swaps. Once done, gather ID and proof of address. Quotex may require re-verification when currency rules apply. Also, you should back up or close open positions and record balances, since switching currencies can trigger conversions and margin changes. Make sure your payment method supports the target currency, because deposits and withdrawals might be constrained by your chosen currency. You next navigate to Profile, then Account Settings, and look for currency options. If a direct switch is available, follow the on-screen prompts and confirm conversions. If the option is absent, open Support Chat or submit a ticket. State the new currency you want, why, and attach your verification documents. Once submitted, note the reference number and expected processing time. Stay logged in and check email for confirmation. Responses may include instructions about closing positions or transferring funds before the change. You finish by confirming the currency change and carefully reviewing your converted balance, any fees, and the applied exchange rate. This explains differences you might see. After the change, test a small deposit or withdrawal to verify the payment method works in the new currency. If something goes wrong, resubmit verification files, clear browser cache, and retry. Make sure you reference the ticket ID when escalating. If unresolved, ask support for a manual adjustment or rollback, and keep screenshots of all steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.